Welcome back to my channel. Once again, you're watching Shubha Mukherjee's UK's vlog, and today's journey beginning from Ho Chi Minh City to Sai Gon railway station.
Guys, a very good morning to everyone. So it's already 7:30 in the morning. So I'm in right now in Sai Gon railway station in Vietnam. And so today's train journey from Sai Gon railway station to Da Nang Junction railway station, and it takes nearby 36 hours journey. And the train will departed from here to 10 o'clock in the morning. Right now it's 7:30. So train is not departed yet. You can see this is a totally empty area in front of the station gate. This train ticket will be cost me 136 VND. That gonna be nearby Indian rupees. How much it will be? 8,000 or something like that. But let's check it out first. अभी भी हमारे पास 3 hours I have remaining. So waiting for the lounge area and all. Waiting for the train. I will show you the train journey and stay tuned on my YouTube channel.
This is the entrance gate of Sai Gon railway station. When you enter, you can see the Highlands Coffee Center there, and over there is train booking counter and baggage collection area, and upstairs there is waiting halls and all, and you can go the way.
So अभी तक ये दरवाज़ा खुला नहीं, अभी तक ये बंद है. So it's already open half an hour before the train departure. So it will be open at 9:30. As you can see, our train is already arrived. You can see the Vietnamese railways. Bus will be there on that way. Our train has arrived. You can see the Vietnam Railways. So here's our coach. It's a coach 10, and I can show you now the train. Today's train journey where coach is coach number 10, and here you can see there's the coach. Same like a first class Indian Railways journey, but it's not Indian Railways, it's Vietnamese Railways and also. This is our coach for today's journey. Welcome inside. Here also getting some menu card options are been available inside the train, and you can see trainways, some other magazines and all, and there's a good flower basket. And apart from that, we have some pillow cover, some pillows and all, bed pillow. It seems like here also. So here's some switch or calling bells are been available here. The same like first class journey. Last 5 minutes to depart this train. So everyone is running. You can see the outside. Car area where you can sell some beer, some juice, drinks and all. This is the pantry car area of this train. You can see, or else you have to go the same way, same lawn areas. Now we are entering the second class of this train. This is the second class of this train journey. Seating area. It's been cheaper than the first class one. So you can see there's a locomotive of this train, and this is the second class train journey over there. So I'll show you some other way. So right now I'm heading towards my coach, which is the H9 coach. It's the last coach of the first class of this train. Here's a place where you can get the hot water, normal water and normal cold drink water. So here's a drink dispensary is also been available in this train. यहाँ पे है लगेज रखने का, सामान रखने का स्पेस. इवन ये है मेरा अपर बर्थ, ये 2 लोअर बर्थ हमारा, और यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है ब्लैंकेट फॉर कोल्ड एंड ऑल, एंड 1 पिलो भी दिया गया, ये साथ में एक पिलो। तकिया आप देख सकते हैं, यहाँ पे स्टैंपिंग किया हुआ है VRR वियतनाम रेलवे का। और अभी तक तो इस सीट में कोई आया नहीं, आई थिंक कोई आएगा लास्ट में। राइट नाउ आई एम इन अपर berth of this berth, so I right now going for a power nap and also let's go on.
দেশকে বুঝতে পারে না, তারা বিদেশে এসেও গাড়িতে দেশীয় খাবার খায়। এই দেখুন ডিমের ডালনা আর ভাত। আর যারা দেশকে ভুলে যায় তারা দেশে বসেও বিদেশি চাল চায়। এই যে ডিমের ডালনা ভাত নিজের হাতে করে তৈরি করে নিয়ে এসেছি, বিদেশি গাড়িতে দেশি খাবার।
Now we are crossing the dragon fruits.
If you're reading this now, odds are I've already left town. A few cities in between the new skyline where I'm looking down. A few empties on the floor and a note on the door of your house. And this silence reminds me of what's left behind me for now.
Dining hall area where you can eat in or dine in some items. So here is some menu options have been available here during the food train journey. See and enjoy your food, enjoy your meal. There was some restaurant bar over there. You order some juice, drinks or something, and restaurant all. So here's a menu here. You can choose your item on your food items and all, and if you enjoy your food, you can view of this good scenario of Vietnam City.
There's a broken down car parked outside the barn up the road, and a weather vane hanging all crooked from the rain and the snow. I'm a half mile past where we ran out of gas years ago.
Now we are crossing Sangmaung station.
I'm taking my time and I'm gonna drive by it once more. But you'll see there's a new life waiting, and I just don't want this feeling to go.
It's always been bored inside the train coach, so it's time to walk some time inside the train lobby.
दिल माने ना कोई जाने ना किसका कसूर, ये दिल माने ना, ये दिल माने ना कोई जाने ना किसका कसूर। কিছু দেখা হওয়া কিছু ভালো লাগা কিছু না বলেও কত কি বলা, दिल पे सरगम बाजे रे, दिल माने ना कोई जाने ना किसका कसूर, ये दिल माने ना, ये दिल माने ना कोई जाने ना किसका कसूर। ये কিছু আদরে ভালোবেসে কার সুরে কে বেজে ওঠে, ये दिल माने ना कोई जाने।
Recommendation if you are planning to travel from Sai Gon railway station to Da Nang railway station, so I will recommend you आप AC4 या AC2 का टिकट कराओ, तो फिर आपको सुबह के टाइम वो समुद्र के किनारे होते हुए पास करेगा, तो आपको वो नज़ारे मिलेंगे। अगर आप बुकिंग द टिकट इन AC9, so you are just missing the नज़ारा and all.
So finally we reach at Ga Da Náng railway station.
दिल माने ना कोई जाने ना किसका
Now we are heading towards our hotel in Da Nang.
कसूर, ये दिल माने ना, ये दिल माने ना कोई जाने ना किसका कसूर, কিছু দেখা হওয়া, কিছু ভালো লাগা, কিছু না বলেও কত কি বলা। দিল পে সরগম বাজে রে, আজ সন্ধেরা নামার আগে তোর হাতে হাত যদি সে রাখে।
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel if you like it. In the meanwhile, see you in the next vlog.